Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, my dear friends and dear parents. A warm welcome to all of you to yet another episode of Web Talk Show. This is our 18th episode. So, today we are coming again with some new topic, and today our guest speaker is Kushi. So, a warm welcome to all of you. So let me tell about you. Let me tell you, I am your host Purva Kakre. I'm a socialite, a skill educator, a event organizer, and founder of two big communities: Teachers and Trainers Networking Community and Indian Women Networking. So Web Talk Show is a show, a platform where you get a chance to recognize and admire by your viewers. So, if you wish to come to this platform to talk about yourself, about your brand, about your profession, inspiring stories, and want to share some knowledge with others, then you can connect with us. We are here to connect you with your audience. So, let me welcome Khushi, who is an parent coach and a DMIT expert. She has been working in this field for last 8 years. So, let's welcome Khushi. Hi, Kushi. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, Purva, and namaste to all the listeners and the viewers who are watching us live here on Facebook.
Good evening. So today, with Kushi, we are going to talk about the kids being now the exams are over and the kids are at home. So आपने काफी बार सुना होगा कि मम्मा now the exams are over, what to do? What should I do? तो उनका जो बोर्डम है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो इन इस वेकेशन को वो अपना कैसे यूटिलाइज करे, कहाँ उसे कुछ ऐसे क्रिएटिव थिंग्स करे जिससे उनका ये बोर्डम खत्म होगा एंड दे कैन यूटिलाइज दिस वेकेशन इन अ फ्रूटफुल वे. So today we are talking about the same topic and Khushi will be guiding us on this. So vacations are around the corner and again the kids will be on the gadget. So how can we keep them away from all this?
So, Purva, firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And we come every Friday live for a web talk on
Yes.
different topics. And Purva is one such person who gets various topics. And today we are going to talk upon this interesting topics कि बच्चों को गैजेट से दूर कैसा रखा जाए और हमें उन्हें वेकेशन में किस तरह से engage करना चाहिए. So,
Exactly.
thank you, Purva, for this wonderful opportunity. So, पहले तो I would like to ask all my viewers and the listeners here कि who is a person to introduce a gadget to your child? Purva, who do you think is the first person to introduce a gadget to your child?
I think the parents are there, the parents who
Parents,
introduce the gadget,
gadgets.
or
Okay.
the
In
siblings.
most
If the
cases,
parents are
yeah.
not there, then the siblings are there who like introduce the gadget to them.
So kahin na kahin it is from home, from your environment, from the surroundings. Okay, none of
Exactly.
the child they are born or they do not know how to use the gadget when they are small. सो हम ही बोलते हैं कि यार बच्चे बोर हो रहे हैं चलो मोबाइल दे देते हैं चलो बच्चे बोर हो रहे हैं चलो लैपटॉप दे दिया टैब दे दिया सो फर्स्टली to engage in the right way we also need to keep a check on ourselves we need to be their role models हम ही इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं हम ही कंप्लेन करते हैं आई बहुत सारा हमारा बच्चा गैजेट पे बैठता है बट who is the one to introduce a
Exactly.
gadget it starts from the environment from close people who are closely related peer pressure siblings family members. So remember that if we want our child to stay away from the gadget, we also somewhere need to do a digital detox. We also need to detach ourselves from these gadgets so that they learn from us. Right? बच्चा खाना खा रहा है चलो फोन दिखा दो उन्हें यूट्यूब ऑन कर दो एंड द चाइल्ड इज ईटिंग फूड so do you think this is the right way to engage the child I don't think so so
I too. Because I've
yeah,
seen in few friends' house or some relatives' places when the kids are watching TV, they are eating food or साथ में TV चल रहा है and then they are literally eating for 1 hour. If you see, they are just continuing it for 1 hour. So what is there? Like
Exactly.
I'm thinking कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना बच्चों को कि वो कुछ नया सीखे इसमें.
Exactly. So firstly, we need to set an example for our children. बच्चे हमसे ही सीख रहे हैं. So we need to firstly stop complaining about this because it is not a very, very big thing. We can definitely curb down and we can put some restrictions which we will be discussing in today's life. So firstly, I would like to say as parents, we need to be good role models to our children and do the digital detox once,
Absolutely.
at least once in a day for that 30 to 35 minutes when we are doing that mindful eating. जो mindful eating की बात करते हैं, especially during that time, if you could bond like a family and have some fun time, it will be really great. Secondly is to involve them in activities which they like, fun and interactive activities which they like. अब अगर आप बच्चे को बोल रहे हो कि board games खेलते हैं, but if the child is not interested in playing a board game, he will definitely
Exactly.
say, Mama, let it be, I will see your mobile. I better spend time there. So we need to understand what is that activity which your child really enjoys doing and engage him the right way. So these are the two important aspects which we can ponder on today. And I have given you food for thought कि पहले तो हमें अपने आप को रोकना चाहिए as parents and then we can stop the children.
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज जब वो बच्चे हमें देखते हैं कि हम भी मोबाइल पे या टीवी पे लगे हैं तो देन दे ऑटोमेटिकली थिंक दिस इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग व्हाई नॉट आई डू दिस so then
Exactly.
there are few cases in which children don't listen still they start watching like they still are watching so how to control this like I ask you
Yes,
how
Pooja.
to
So
control
yeah,
this.
so there actually ये जो लॉकडाउन का फेज अभी हुआ है from last year, in fact many parents have told me like no खुशी, but our children do not listen to us. So
Okay.
definitely yes, they are kids, they are children, they will not listen to you. But if we inculcate and if we do certain changes in their daily routine, then definitely this habit can be curbed. So what are these ways in which we can reduce the screen time? So firstly is we need to have some set rules. As parents, we need to keep our foot down and say that we need to have certain rules if there is a gadget involved, if you want to have a look at the gadget. Okay,
Exactly.
limit their screen time. The child cannot go on watching TV or go on watching YouTube channels for hours and hours together. So अगर आप बच्चे को रोकना चाहते हो, that is not the solution because the child, आप जितना रोकोगे बच्चा उतना ही ज्यादा एंग्री होकर वो ज्यादा देखेगा. Rather, you
They
need to
become
start
stubborn
slowly.
also. Yeah.
Yes, you need to start slowly and apply a reverse psychology. And you need to tell them that, okay, we will set a time limit for your gadget then. You cannot see beyond that. Thirdly, what you can do is you can actually have a control and look into the quality instead of the quantity. So अगर आप अपने बच्चे को गैजेट दिखा भी रहे हो या बच्चा गैजेट देख भी रहा है, see to it that your child is watching something which is more quality based in that limit, in that time limit, rather than watching something for hours together and is adding no value to their life. So
Exactly.
these are the few aspects parents do keep a check.
So it can be like if they are watching something interesting, so keep it for a limited time, make them watch, and then like, chalo, let's do something creative. Let's play also because sometimes the parents don't get the time also. Ki like, chalo, we can spend some time playing with the kids or some games or something. So, Khushi, I would ask you suggest few games or something which involve both the parents and the kids, and they bond together properly.
Right. So this is my favorite part actually, and this is what I have been doing with my children since so many months, I will say rather. And what I have been doing is, firstly, we engage in a very very interesting activity which they like. So if जो उनका mood करे, so suppose if they say that Papa, let's play Uno, we say okay, chalo, let's play Uno. Then if they say, Mama, chalo, let's play some snakes and ladders. So that is how we play snakes and ladders. So that is what you need to again keep a check on the child's mood swings. What is he interested at that very moment? Okay. The second, what you need to do is encourage reading. This is the best time, in fact, that you can introduce reading and make it like a good habit in these children. So slowly and steadily, जैसे मैंने कहा, reduce the screen time and increase the reading time. So you can start small with reading. Tell them to just read 2 pages initially. I'm not telling you to tell them to read pages and pages या फिर 15 मिनट के लिए रीडिंग
Complete
करना
this
है,
book.
नहीं.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, just start with
Absolutely.
2 pages, which is a very doable activity. So in that 5 minutes, if you say, okay, if you're watching the screen time for 15 minutes, 5 minutes of reading also has to be done. That is how you reduce slowly the screen time, increase the reading time. The next thing what you can do is develop a new skill. Again, the child always keeps saying, Mama, I'm bored of doing the dancing, I'm bored of doing the singing. So if viewers, if you have watched our earlier episodes, I have also I have also told you all that my daughter was this time she wanted to do crochet and knitting. So that is how, you remember, Purva, we had spoken about
Yeah,
this to
we
our viewers
yeah
in our
we spoke
previous
about
episode.
boredom, and that in that topic we have considered this one also.
Yes, so if people you have not watched our boredom episode, you can just go and click on that. And we had spoken about this, that develop a new skill again. Try to keep that peppiness in your child. So if she says knitting, okay, I got the knitting needles, I got the wool, and she learned knitting in just a couple of days' time. The next thing what you can do is give them responsibilities and engage them in household activities, again depending upon their age. So if the child is small, like if the child is of around 4 to 5 years, so you can tell them to help to serve chapati, or serve a glass of water during the table, during the dinner table or the lunch table. So the child will be very happily doing the serving part.
So
you
they
know
love to do something or the other. So ये एक रूटीन हो जाएगा, अलग से भी काम कर रहे हैं, कुछ डिफरेंट भी कर रहे हैं और उन्हें मजा भी आता है इसमें.
मजा भी आ रहा है. Then again, if you want to involve them in much more higher difficulty level activities, you can tell them to make a menu card. तो अगर आप नेक्स्ट दिन का मेन्यू प्लानिंग कर लेते हो, टेल देम टू मेक अ मेन्यू कार्ड टुडे. दैट इज हाउ उनका टाइम
A little
निकलेगा.
bigger kids can do this. Yeah.
Yes, they can set up table, और जो डिनर टेबल के मैट्स रखने हैं, प्लेट्स रखने हैं, and that is how they can do such kind of activities. Tell them to organize their table, tell them to keep their ironed clothes in the cupboard, tell them to just fold their bed sheet, whatever they are using
Exactly.
overnight. So small little responsibilities depending upon their age, again, is a very important activity that you need to involve your children in. Another interesting activity you can do is a treasure hunt. So जो बच्चों की favorite चीजें हैं, what you can do is when the child sleeps at night, just keep them in places, in hidden places, and think of some clues that you can give. कि okay, जहाँ पर हम पूजा करते हैं, so that is a temple house. So your one such thing will be near the temple house, or it could be like where mama spends most of the time in the kitchen. So maybe a thing you can hide it in the kitchen also for the children to find out. So you can do an interesting treasure hunt with your children. The next is abhi summer time hai. Tell them to create a calendar for themselves. They can plan out their entire May month, their entire April month, come up with some creative ideas and schedule their entire calendar for themselves, which is again a very interesting activity. So they can plan a new activity every day. The next few
So this is
activities,
something interesting they will be doing. If they are
yeah,
planning out the calendar, that's an interesting thing.
activity. Again, Purva, here I would like to show our viewers some interesting games and activities which they can do with their children. Here I have got these cards that you can see, butterfly, and you can see an apple made here. So you can make these small little cards. There is a sun, here. There is a sun, fish. Okay, so you can make such small cards and tell your child to weave a story around them. Place them upside down on the table. So you can make 10-15 of such cards. Tell your child to pick up 5 or 6 cards. So when the child sees a butterfly, so the child needs to actually weave a story around the butterfly related to a tree probably. So there are flowers around the tree and the butterfly was there and, taking honey or
So this
the
make them more
nectar.
creative also. This idea of
Exactly.
picking up one word or a one picture will help them to make them creative and inspire them to write something, or they can narrate a story also. Yeah.
Exactly. And if you have 2 such cards and if you place them all around the table, it becomes like a good memory game. जो हम बचपन में खेलते थे, place them upside down. Tell them if the 2 cards match, it is theirs. If they do not match, if they are different cards, again they have to place it upside down. So this is how they will again increase, उनकी memory अच्छी होती है. The next thing that I would like to share here is these cards. If you can see Purva here, they can make
Yeah.
such beautiful cards for their family members. They are small cards जहाँ पर they've done some doodling. My child has done some doodling here. Here. Again, an interesting activity. आप एक black pen या any colorful pen which is there at
So
home.
they can do themselves also, and it doesn't involve like something get bore or something. Do it yourself.
Exactly.
What you want to express, what you want to portray, you can do it, Aransi.
In fact, they can even write
Absolutely.
beautiful messages here for the corona thing that is going on, and share it with their friends and family members. Maybe some lovely get well soon cards can be done with these or techniques, so they can do this. The next thing what I would like to show here is again these cards which are housey tickets which I have made. I have done it with
Wow.
pencil. Okay, they are not having numbers, they have again certain objects which the child can relate to. So they are apples, there is a tree, there is a butterfly, there is a smiley face, and you can make such housey tickets. And आपको बार बार बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी इन्हें. They are reusable because they have not made it. I have not made it with a pen. I have made it with a pencil here, so they can actually
You
rub
can.
and they can create designs on their own. So this is another activity which I would like to share
It's
with
a one
the
interesting one. Huh? It's an interesting one because they would love to change and draw something of their creation,
choice.
that their, yeah,
Yes,
their choice.
yes. Again, one more very interesting activity which I tell most of my parents and which is my hot favorite is that you can keep few objects, okay, which has a particular smell. So it could be a capsicum, it could be a banana, it could be a mango, it could be a chili, it could be onion, garlic, ginger. Place it and hide them. Call your child, blindfold your child, and tell them to identify the fruit or the vegetable just by smelling it. Yes, you heard me right, just by smelling
Yes.
it. So हम लोग अपनी रोजाना की जिंदगी में
Interesting.
अनियन, garlic and ginger smell नहीं कराते हैं. So, but when the child does these activities, trust me, parents, you can engage them beautifully and in a very, very fun and interactive way where they even completely forget about their gadgets at all.
These are few interesting things which you have told, Kushi. They are amazing. And I hope my audience and the viewers will love this and they surely, surely do this. Because this is a something we can't think about. Like आपने जो कहा, it was a housey wala game. You can change it and make it interesting one. You can do it in
Right.
other way or any kind of a thing can be done. And the
And
blindfold
the
one
best
is
part, Purva,
awesome.
you're not even, yeah, and the best part is, Purva, you're not even spending from anything out. Like, you don't have to purchase anything. It can be done very, very easily, economically at home. Like आप घर बैठे बच्चों को इतने अच्छे से इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हो.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Kushi. Thank you. We are coming to the end of the session. So I would love to give a warm thanks to Kushi for telling us, introducing us such a good activities and the new ideas which the moms can apply and keep our children engaged in this vacation. So thank you, Kushi, for coming on our platform, and hope people have enjoyed this session, and hope you have enjoyed our session also. So
Thank you, Purva, once again for having
yeah,
me here.
thank you. So members, viewers, don't forget to join us on next Friday. We are coming with the session how to teach your kids a gratitude part, attitude of gratitude. So Kushi will be guiding us on this. So don't miss this part. It is again an awesome one where you can teach your children to be a gratitude person. Thank you, Kushi. Thank you,
Thank
audience.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.